Now in this problem what they have asked, say warping stress at interior edge corner for h equal to 28 centimeter with the transverse joints of 5.5 and 3.5. This is your Lx, this is your Ly, and subgrade reaction K 0.5. So all the things here it is they have given Newton per mm square. Here they have given mm. Here they have given centimeter. Remember. So here temperature difference 0.08 degrees Celsius per centimeter. This has to be multiplied to 28 to get to small t. Okay, temperature difference this much per centimeter. So for total thickness, what is the temperature difference, like that? Okay, so here the understand temperature differential is 0.08 per centimeter slab thickness. Tire pressure 0.55 Newton per mm square for a wheel load of 51,000 Newton. Determine the warping stress with E equal to this much, capital E equal to this much, mu equal to this much. Okay, what they have done, let us see. First they have calculated what Lx. Okay, how to calculate Lx? L, using L, this radius of relative stiffness, substitute the values. I am getting 578 mm. Pure substitution, E value, H value, K value, mu value. So whatever units they have given, converted into standard one, either in mm, Newton mm or kg centimeter. So I have written in Newton mm. Try to solve this one. We'll get answer, I think 578 mm. Now Lx by L 5500. What is that? 5500. Here it is 5.5 meter. 5.5 meter. So I have written it in mm because all things I am doing it in mm. So it is in mm divided by L. It is L 578. So I am getting 11.45. So for this 11.45, what is the Cx? 11 here, 11.45, 11.45. What is the Cx? I think it is 1.01, 1.02. So I am getting 1.05. Similarly, Ly by L, 3500 by 578, 7.28. So striking means already mistake I have done there. So changing the values. So that is why I have written like that. 578, 7.28. So I am getting for 7.28, 0.85. We will see. 7.8. So it is 0.8. Like that. 0.85. So T, temperature differential, what I have done, thickness H into per centimeter difference. This is per centimeter difference. So both multiplication I am getting 2.25 degrees Celsius. What formula I should use? Warping stress, STI, this one, STE, this one. So what formula I have used? This, all the three. This formula, STI, STE, and this is STC. STC. Cx, Cy just now found, mu is given, E is given, small e is given, T we have calculated. So similarly all the things are calculated. Substitute in the formula. So STI. So I am getting 0.405 Newton per mm square. 0.405 Newton per mm square, substituting the values. STE, you can take this or this, whichever is higher. Okay, 0.353 I am getting. 0.353 I am getting. So similarly for corner. EET 3 into 1 minus u square root of A by L. How to get A? A is the square root of P divided by pi into P. Pressure is given, tire pressure, capital P wheel load is given. So I am getting 171.8. So small pressure, where it is given? Yes, here. Tire pressure, it is given. Wheel load is given. So we can calculate small a. Okay. So it is coming out to be 0.14. You can calculate in the separate notebook using the formula, using the values. In this one, what is this? Calculate the wheel load stresses interior edge corner using Westergaard equation. This problem has appeared so many times. Remember the values 51 kilonewton. They will give 5100 kg. 5100 kg. This they will give K equal to 0.08 Newton per mm square. They will give K equal to 8 kg per centimeter square. 8 kg per centimeter square. Tap thickness 250 mm. They will give 25 centimeter. So many times it has appeared. What formula you should use? Normal Westergaard equation means what? This formula. All the three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So L you should calculate, B you should calculate. Remaining PH as given. L and B first calculation, P and H are already given. A is to be calculated or may be given. In this problem, tire pressure is mentioned. That means you can calculate small a. This tire pressure is given, wheel load is given. So you can calculate small a. So how I have done? A equal to square root of pi into P. So this formula you know. So I am getting 147 mm. L, the same formula, EH cube 12k1 minus mu square to the power of 4. I am getting 840. So using this three formula that I have shown now. B, how to calculate B? This formula, square root of 1.6 a square plus h square minus 0.615 h. So substituting the values of B, L in the respective formulas, wheel load stresses, the values are like this. 1.069 Newton per mm square. So I am converting and writing it once again. 10.6 kg per centimeter square. Similarly 1.6, 16.0. 1.38, 13 kg per centimeter square. Okay, like that.